Hello everyone, we are making soft bread rolls. These are the ingredients you are going to need. Start by adding 160 milliliters of lukewarm milk, 30 grams of sugar, 5 grams dry yeast, one egg. Three 300 grams of bread flour, 5 grams of salt. Mix well until the dough is formed. Thirty grams unsalted butter, knead the dough for about 10 to 15 minutes. When the dough is smooth and slightly tacky to the touch, it is well kneaded. Place the dough in a bowl. Leave it covered for 1 hour. Until it rises to double in size. Push the air out. Remove from the bowl and cut into pieces. You should get about 12 pieces. Make each piece into a ball. In a baking tray lined with wax or parchment paper, place all the balls. Leave it covered in a warm place until dough rises to about double size. Preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius or 340 Fahrenheit and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. When done, brush with melted butter. Thank you for watching. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.